Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. You all are very, very fine. So, today we will start our second chapter. That is Bhalu ne kheli football. Bhalu ne kheli football. Bear played football. So, this chapter is very interesting. So, without wasting time, we will start our chapter now. So, सर्दियों का मौसम था. It was a winter season. सुबह का वक्त. चारों ओर कोहरा ही कोहरा. It was the morning time. It was totally covered with fog. एक शेर का बच्चा सिमटकर गोल मटोल बना जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था. A lion's cub was sleeping under a Java plum tree, all curled up like a ball. इधर भालू साहब सैर पर निकल तो आए थे, लेकिन पछता रहे थे. Here came the bear sir for a walk, but he was regretting it. तभी उनकी नजर जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे पड़ी. Suddenly, his eyes grabbed attention under the Java plum tree. आंखें फैलाई, अकल दौड़ाई. Aha! Football! He widened his eyes. He used his brain and said, Wow! Aha! Football! सोचा, चलो इससे खेलकर कुछ गर्मी हासिल की जाए. He thought, let's get some heat playing it. आओ देखना ताओ. भालू जी ने पैर से उछाल दिया शेर के बच्चे को. That's mean it is a proverb, which means he didn't think of anything else then. The bear kicked the lion cub with his feet. हड़बड़ी में शेर का बच्चा दहाड़ा और फिर पेड़ की एक डाल पकड़ ली. The lion cub roared in shock and then caught a tree branch. मगर डाल टूट गई. मगर डाल टूट गई. But the branch broke. भालू साहब जल्दी ही मामला समझ गए. The bear understood the matter suddenly. पछताए, लेकिन अगले ही पल दौड़कर फुर्ती से दोनों हाथ बढ़ाए और शेर के बच्चे को लपक लिया. He regretted, but the next moment he ran very fast. He ran very fast, stretched his hands and caught the lion cub. अरे यह है क्या? शेर का बच्चा फिर से उछलने के लिए कह रहा था. अरे, what is this? The lion cub was asking the bear to throw him again. एक बार फिर भालू दादा ने उछाला. Once again, the bear threw him into the air. दो बार, तीन बार और फिर बार बार यही होने लगा. Two times, three times means thrice. Then they did the same thing many times. शेर के बच्चे को उछलने में मजा आ रहा था. The lion cub was enjoying it when the bear was throwing him in the air and catching him. परंतु भालू थककर परेशान हो गया था. But the bear got tired and was getting annoyed now. ओह, किस आफत में फंस गया. 12वीं बार उछालते ही भालू ने घर की ओर दौड़ लगाई और गायब हो गया. He threw him the 12th time and then suddenly ran into the house and vanished from there. अब की बार शेर का बच्चा धड़ाम से जमीन पर आ गया. डाल भी टूट गई. This time the lion cub fell on the ground with a bang. The branch also broke. तभी माली वहां आया और शेर के बच्चे पर बरस पड़ा। Just then the gardener came there and scolded the lion cub. डाल तोड़ दी पेड़ की, लाओ हरजाना। He said, you broke the branch of the tree, pay for the damages. शेर के बच्चे ने कहा, जरा ठीक तो होलू, जरा ठीक तो होलू। The lion cub said, first let me get up. I have just fallen. So give me some time. माली ने कहा, ठीक है, मैं अभी आता हूं। The gardener said, okay, I will just come. मालिक के वहां से जाते ही शेर का बच्चा भी 9 2 11 हो लिया। As soon as the gardener left, the lion's cub ran from there. उसने सोचा जान बची तो लाखों पाए। And he thought, if life gets saved, it feels like getting a million. That's all in this chapter. I hope you understood the story and you enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank you so much.